Hello everybody, and welcome to the Adam Show. First of two drones just came in, and we're going to do an unveiling of this Holy Stone 720e. I've been looking forward to flying it. It comes in the case right here. And let's see what else comes with. This should be the 2 battery version that it's coming with. What we've got in here is manual, paperwork and manuals, options of battery, instruction manual for use, silica gel, and here is the Holy Stone HS720. It's got a battery in it. It is a foldable drone. And let's open that. Let's open the back. It opens up. Back and forth. There's the drone right there. The battery is in here. It does come with the sensors on the bottom, the landing lights, the electronic stabilized camera for the size, so the weight it is, and this battery is not even that heavy. So we've got to prep it. This should be the second battery. And me personally, I'm just a 2 battery drone person. The first battery is for, these are extra props right here. Extra props. This should be the charging unit for the batteries. And we will be opening this up to charge it. So this will charge both batteries simultaneously. And plugging it into a plug. We're going to have to get this ready. Now I wanted to try out the electronic image stabilization and see how it does. So this is a screwdriver to change out the propellers. Where this is all going to go in here with that booklet. I will read it to see how to calibrate the camera and set it all up prior to flight. Just wanted to get a look at it and see what it looks like. This is the controller. So the controller is going to go, it's going to sail and everything's fold down like the others. This is your typical. And we're going to have to. So this is the unboxing of the HS720 drone. We've got to charge the batteries before flight and read the instructions on how to use it. Thank you for watching the Adam Show, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the HS720e with the electronic image stabilization. The next film will be the initial flight, and we'll call this a wrap.